Tired of clicking around Salesforce and still not finding where to create a customer account? Learn the exact 7 clicks to set one up in under 2 minutes. First, we'll navigate to the Accounts tab. Then I'll show you the New button, the required fields, and the drop-down for customer type. Let's go. Start by clicking on the Accounts tab in the navigation bar. Then, in the top right corner of the Accounts page, click the New button to open the creation form. Now, enter the account name in the provided field. Next, fill in the website field. Then, click the drop-down menu to choose the customer type. From the list, select Analyst. Finally, click Save to create the account. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.